This video will guide you how to convert PDF documents so that you can open them in Microsoft Excel. So, follow my steps. You can convert a PDF to an Excel on your Android device using a free app called Alto PDF to Excel Converter. The new XML file is saved in the Download folder. You can use Adobe Acrobat PDF Editor for converting a PDF into an Excel file. Choose whether you want to save the Excel file in .xlsx or .xml format. You can use Microsoft Office itself to convert PDF to Excel without using any extra software. First, open the PDF file in MS Word. Save the document as a web page. Open the MS Excel app and open the web page file that you saved. You can now edit the data and save it as Excel file. You can convert a PDF to an Excel document online. Open a browser and go to pdf2excel.com. Upload your PDF file. Once complete, download the new Excel file.